Welcome, children. First of all, I appreciate your efforts that you are watching videos, completing assessments, and sending back to us. I also appreciate efforts of your parents. Next thing, I hope you are following the precautions to keep yourself safe. Wash your hands frequently. Wear mask and maintain the social distance. Today we will learn about hardware and software. As our body is made up with many parts like head, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, etc. Similarly, a computer is also made up with many devices like monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, UPS. So all these devices form a computer system. Hardware. Parts of the computer that we can touch are called hardware. जिन parts को हम touch कर सकते हैं, छू सकते हैं, those are called hardware. Like monitor, you can touch the monitor. Keyboard, you can touch it. CPU, you can touch the CPU cabinet. Mouse, you can touch the mouse. So monitor, mouse, keyboard, CPU are the hardwares. Now next topic is software. As we need a driver to drive a car. जैसे कार को चलाने के लिए हमें एक ड्राइवर की ज़रूरत होती है, उसी तरह से कंप्यूटर को चलाने के लिए हमें सॉफ्टवेयर्स की ज़रूरत होती है. Just like a mobile. If you have a mobile but there are no apps, you cannot work on it. You need apps in the mobile to make it working. अगर आप मोबाइल पर वर्क करना चाहते हैं, you need apps in it. आपके मोबाइल में apps होनी चाहिए. Only then you can work on it. Similarly, in your computer, there must be different types of softwares that you can work on it. So, software is the part of computer which cannot be touched. तो सॉफ्टवेयर कंप्यूटर का एक ऐसा पार्ट है जिसको हम टच नहीं कर सकते. जैसे आप मोबाइल की ऐप्स को टच नहीं कर सकते, उसी तरह आप कंप्यूटर के सॉफ्टवेयर्स को टच नहीं कर सकते. टू मेक द हार्डवेयर वर्क वी नीड टू हैव सॉफ्टवेयर इन इट. हार्डवेयर को वर्किंग बनाने के लिए हमें उसमें सॉफ्टवेयर्स डालने पड़ते हैं. जैसे मोबाइल है, मोबाइल में हम ऐप्स डालते हैं, कंप्यूटर में हम डिफरेंट टाइप्स के सॉफ्टवेयर्स इंस्टॉल करते हैं. There are different types of softwares in our computer, just like different types of machines at your home. Different types of machines do different types of work. Similarly, in the computer, different types of softwares do different type of work. Paint is used for making drawings. Tux paint is also used for making drawings. WordPad is used for typing. So you cannot touch the paint, Tux paint and WordPad. All these are softwares. Games are also softwares. Calculator is a software. Now come on the parts of hardware. Hardware is divided into 4 parts: input devices, processing device, output devices and storage devices. In the previous video, we have done IPO cycle: input, process, output. So there are first three devices connected to that. First is input devices, second is processing devices, third is output devices, and fourth is storage devices. Input devices. Input devices are used to enter data and instructions into a computer. इनपुट डिवाइसेस की हेल्प से हम कंप्यूटर में डाटा एंटर कर सकते हैं, इंस्ट्रक्शंस एंटर कर सकते हैं, एंड टू two basic input devices are keyboard and mouse. Processing device. CPU is a processing device. All the processing done inside the CPU box. CPU box में processing होती है डाटा की. So CPU is a processing device. And there is only one processing device in our computer system. Output devices. After processing done, we get the output on the output devices. Some of the output devices are monitor, printer, speakers, etc. Now, storage devices. As you are storing your work in your notebook, in your books, जैसा कि आप काम कर रहे हैं अपनी नोटबुक्स में सेव करके रख रहे हैं उस वर्क को, so that you can show your teachers when you come to school. Similarly, we can store data in a computer so that we can use it in the future. So, storage devices are used to store the data. Some of the storage devices are CD, hard disk, and pen drive. There is a worksheet for you. Name any 4 input devices. Name any 3 output devices. Name any 3 storage devices. Stay home, stay safe, and pray for the safety of others. Thank you.